Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser and I'm going to reset the maintenance light. It's going to be very simple and I want to be the one to show you how to do it. And as always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Thanks. So to reset the maintenance light on this vehicle, 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, we're going to take the key, put in the ignition. We're going to make sure we're on the odometer field. If you press it, it's going to go trip, trip B, back to odometer, okay? It's on the odometer field. We're going to turn off the key, hold down the trip button, turn the key. You can see little dashes going there. They're counting down. Once they go away, you've reset your maintenance light. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.